Have you ever wondered how those delicious mangoes you eat started out as tiny seeds? Well, wonder no more, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the entire journey from seed to seedling to tree. We'll start by selecting the perfect mango seeds to germinate. I'll show you how to extract the seed and prepare it for sprouting. I'll demonstrate the ideal moisture levels, temperatures, and lighting conditions needed for optimal mango germination success. Once the seeds break the soil, you'll see how the tiny mango shoots emerge. We'll follow mango plant growth over time as the seedlings establish. Let's get started on growing your mango tree. Here are the key steps in the complete germination process of a mango plant. 1. For mango seed, choose fresh mangoes with seeds that are still intact inside. 2. In second step, we will cut the mango seed. To remove the outer hard coat of mango seed, wash seeds properly. 3. For mango seed scarification, use sandpaper to gently abrade the mango seed coat surface to help speed up germination. 4. In mango seed plating, mango seeds are placed in a pot or flat and spaced 1-2 inches apart. Cover lightly with soil or seed starting mix. Keep moist. 5. Now in the fifth number, we have to fulfill these mango seed germination conditions. Provide bottom heat around 80-85 F. Keep soil continuously moist, but not saturated. Temp above 60 F, 80% humidity. 6. Now, it's time for mango seed sprouting. Mango seeds take 2-6 weeks to sprout, depending on conditions. Monitor moisture closely at this delicate stage. 7. First true leaves and shoots emerge above the soil surface, followed by taproots developing below. 8. After leaves and shoots, emergence of mango seedling care is the most important step. For that purpose, transplant as soon as possible into individual pots. Continue good watering or lighting habits in the early growth stages. 9. Mango plant maturation is the last step. Mango seedlings need 5 to 7 years to reach maturity and fruiting stage. After germination from seed, patience is key. Proper germination technique coupled with suitable care enables mango seeds to successfully sprout and grow into fruit-bearing trees. Subscribe now and cultivate your knowledge. Botanic Seeds to Harvest Guide teaches everything you need to reap bountiful, delicious harvests year after year.